This is a used 2007 GMC Acadia, powered by all-wheel drive, a 3.6-liter, 6-cylinder engine, and a 6-speed automatic transmission. The features include a power sunroof, leather seats, Sirius XM satellite radio, digital audio input, steering wheel controls, memory seats, tilt and telescopic steering wheel, a spoiler, a navigation system, power seats. Safety was made a priority with these features: side airbags, second and third row head airbags, independent suspension, traction control, parking sensors, stability control, a passenger airbag, low tire pressure warning, front ventilated disc brakes, daytime running lights. Rest easy knowing this vehicle comes with a Carfax Vehicle History Report from Carfax, the most trusted provider of vehicle history information. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact us.